Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB. In this video, you're going to learn how to receive S3 event notifications on an SQS queue in AWS. Let's start by navigating to the SQS service, then hit Create Queue. Give your queue a name, choose Configuration, then scroll down to Access Policy. Here, I'm going to grab an access policy template from this AWS guide and replace the QARN and the S3 bucket ARN. To get the S3 bucket ARN, navigate to the S3 service, then go to the Properties tab of your bucket. I'm also going to replace the account ID variable, then copy-paste this policy in the Advanced tab. Hit Create Queue, then navigate back to the Properties tab of your S3 bucket. Scroll down to the Event Notifications section, then hit the Create button. Give your event a name, then select an event type. I'm going to select All Object Create Events, then choose my SQS queue, and hit Save. Navigate to the Objects tab and upload a file to this bucket. Let's go back to the SQS service window and click on Send and Receive Messages. Next, click on Poll for Messages and you should see 2 messages triggered by our upload. If you click on the message, you can find more details about the bucket and the file that was uploaded. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.